Hi children, I am Shobha, English language teacher at Avinahatti, Holalkere Taluk. In the previous video, we knew the background of the poem Quality of Mercy. The quality of mercy taken from the play The Merchant of Venice. Here, Portia is very important character. She argues why mercy is important. William Shakespeare describes the quality of mercy through Portia. Dear children, this is not the poem, this is not the sonnet, it's only the argument of Portia. Dear children, let's watch the video how she argued in the court. Okay.
The quality of mercy is not strained. It droppeth as the gentle rain from heaven upon the place beneath. It is twice blessed. It blesseth him that gives and him that takes. 'Tis mightiest in the mightiest. It becomes the throned monarch better than his crown. His sceptre shows the force of temporal power, the attribute to awe and majesty, wherein doth sit the dread and fear of kings. But mercy is above this sceptred sway. It is enthroned in the hearts of kings. It is an attribute to God himself, and earthly power doth then show likest gods when mercy seasons justice.
Dear children, now we are going to understand the poem. The quality of mercy is not come by force or compulsion. It showered like a gentle rain directly from heaven. Here the poet compares mercy and the gentle rain that drops from heaven. The speaker says that mercy is twice blessed because mercy helps not only the receiver but also the giver. So it blessed by 2 times. Therefore, it becomes strongest of strongest. The kings of the earth had their power. They had all the worldly powers. They can do what they were thinking. They can rule as they like. Mercy is more powerful than the sway of scepter or the gravity of the crown. The people had fear about their king's power. But if the kings had mercy in their heart, it ruled over their power. Mercy should be seated in the hearts of the kings. They become like that of God. Then their royal power changes to God's power. They are good to their people and loved by the people. According to the author, mercy is the divine quality and greatest virtue of all. Children, here I will give you the gist of the poem. Stop the video, write it in your notebook. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.